Hello all, welcome to my channel. In the previous videos of Kotlin basics, we discussed about variable, if and when expression. Now today we will discuss about loops. So let me first create the new file. So I'm just clicking on src folder. Here you can just right click, new, and you can take the Kotlin class file. Here you can just give the name of your Kotlin file, and that is loop demo. Here you can just double click on file and new file will be created, that is loopdemo.kotlin. Now what is loop? Loop is used in the programming to repeat a specific block of the code until the certain condition is met. Let me give you the example. For example, let me write here that is function main. Now in programming, basically there are three types of loop. One is the for loop, that is used for the fixed iteration. Another is the while loop. Until and unless the certain condition is fulfilled, that loop will be executed. And one more loop is there is do while loop, that is post test loop. You can say that the first your code will be executed, then the condition will be checked. If the condition is met, then it will be executed. So let me start with the first category of the loop, and that is for loop. For example, I just want to print 1 to 10 numbers. Then you can directly write here in a for I in. Now I'm just writing 1 dot 10. No need to declare the variable used in the for loop. You don't need to declare this variable I. Why? Because whenever you are using the variable in a for loop, it will be automatically declared. You just need to write here one print function. For example, print line, and I'm writing here that is $I. You can simply run this particular code, that is run loop demo.kotlin file. Whenever you run this, you will get the output that is 1 to 10 numbers, but it will be in a new line. Why? Because I am using the function that is println. Suppose if you want all this number in a one line, then you can just use the function print and you can give the space over here. Then you can simply rerun your code, that is loopdemo.kt file, and you will get the output that is 1 to 10 numbers over here, and that is in a sequence. Sometimes people say that, sir, I just want to give the increment, that is it means I want to print the alternate number, that is odd number, that is 1 3 5 7 9, like that. Then you just need to write here that is the step 2. So let me copy this. I'm just copying here. You can just paste. This is the second version of the for loop. I'm just using here println, and here I'm writing that is the step 2. Whenever you write step 2, you will get the output, and the output will be what? That is the alternate number. Here it will print 1 3 5 7 9 in a sequence. See here, the first loop is printing 1 to 10. Another loop is printing 1 3 5 7 9. That is the step by 2. Sometimes people say that, sir, I want to print the numbers in a reverse direction. Suppose in a Kotlin, if you want to print the numbers in a reverse direction, then you can simply write here for I in, and here you can just write 10 down to 1. So it will print the numbers in the reverse direction. Here you can simply rerun your block of code and you will get the output over here, that is the 1 to 10, then 1 3 5 7 9, that is the alternate number, and this is in a reverse direction, that is 10 to 1. Sometimes people say that, sir, I want to print the numbers in a reverse direction, but only I want to print the numbers, that is even numbers, in a reverse direction. Can we? Yes, you can. For example, let me copy this particular code. I'm just copying here and you can paste over here. Now what I want to do, I want to print the numbers up to 10 to 1, and you can just use the step option here, that is the step 2. Now you can simply rerun your code and you will get the output, and the output will be what? That is in reverse. You will get the numbers, and that is 10 8 6 4 and 2. So this is what the for loop. Now I'm just moving to the loop demo version 2, and that is the while loop. So here I'm just clicking on src folder, new. I'm taking one more Kotlin file, that is the name of the Kotlin file is loop demo 2. And here you can just double click on file. Now I'm just creating here loop demo 2 Kotlin file. What I want to do over here, and that is I just want to give you a demo of while loop. So I'm just taking here function main. Now how we can use the while loop? It is very simple. In for loop, no need to declare the variable, but in a while loop, you need to declare the variable. So I'm just writing here variable I is equal to 1. Now I want to run the loop up to I reaches the value that is 10. So until and unless I is less than or equal to 10, just to print the value of I. And whenever you print the value of I, just increment the value of I. So you can write I plus plus. You can simply click on run loop demo2.kotlin file, and you will get the output. And that will be what? That is 1 to 10 numbers over here. You can just give the space over here and you can rerun. So you will get the output, that is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now suppose sometimes people says that, sir, I want the alternate numbers in while loop. You can just write here, that is I plus equal to 2. Whenever you write I plus equal to 2, you will get the number that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now sometimes people says that, sir, I want the numbers in a reverse direction. If you want the numbers in a reverse direction, then you can start the loop from 10 and you can run up to I greater than or equal to 1. Instead of increment, you can just decrement the value, and then you can simply run your code and you will get the output, that is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now sometimes people say that, sir, I want the alternate number in a reverse direction. Then you can write I minus equal to 2 and you will get the output, that is 10, 8, 6, 4 and 2. So this is the way you can use the for loop and while loop in Kotlin. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.